My divine soul sisters and soul brothers, today I wanted to reach out to you all because so many of you feel like you've lost your way. So many of you are feeling desperation and depression seeping into your heart space, even though you've tried so hard to stay hopeful, positive, and faithful within the divine purpose of this current reality. The reason you are allowing yourselves to feel this way is because you still believe, consciously or unconsciously, that these masters of darkness controlling your current reality are far more powerful than you will ever be. You are allowing them to cast a shadow upon your divinity, and this way, slowly but surely, allowing them to dim your light, taking away any hope or sense of peace. I have asked my sweet Emanuelle to make this video for you, so you can not only understand, but also start to feel what I am sharing with you today, deep within yourself, as truth, so it can start to emanate outside of you and change your world individually and collectively. Understand that the magic of this world lies within its duality, because it is only by exploring our darkness and its limitations that we will fully understand and experience the infinite, limitless, and eternal power of our inner light. Understand that the shadows cannot and will not ever destroy the light. It simply defines it, because one cannot exist without the other. So always find the light that hides deep within the darkness, because without the darkness, the stars in the sky would never be able to shine so bright. Learn from those that create the darkness in order to allow the light to shine bigger and brighter within this collective creation. So together, united in light and love energy, you can become the creators you were always destined to be. Understand that the only reason the shadows have been successful in their ego-driven, power-hungry manipulation of the masses for centuries now is because they know exactly how to use the law of attraction that operates and defines all that is. They have become master manifestors, and this, combined with the fact that they are extremely dedicated, they have a clear vision, a plan, and timeline, and the fact that they are relentless in their execution really has brought them the success so far. For centuries, they have tried to hide the secrets of the universe from you and the limitless power you all possess naturally in order to be the sole creators of their loveless reality. But that chapter is now coming to an end. The time for love and light, unity, connectivity, and prosperity is ready to be created and experienced. The time is now. Create and align your vision, your plan of heaven on earth with your feelings and your emotions. In other words, start to feel the joy, the abundance, the peace, and the balance that this heaven on earth will bring for all. And start this today and tomorrow and each day that follows. So together we can invite it into our reality. Be extremely dedicated. Have self-discipline. Start taking steps today and be relentless in your execution. Embrace your powers and know thy worth. See the people putting down their arms and uniting in the quest for peace, regardless of what the shadows are trying to make us believe or trying to force us to do. Feel how people are starting to work together and help each other in every way possible. How we will all return back to nature and work together with Gaia and start to grow healthy foods again and create healthy medicine that will cure many diseases that the shadows claimed are incurable. Envision humanity uncovering and revealing the true history of our origins, of our existence, and reconnect with the many other beings inhabiting not only this planet, but many, many other planets. Come to the realization that they have tried to help us in many different ways. And know in your heart that humanity will flourish through love, compassion, togetherness, and through allowing all things that divide us to be replaced by the things that unite us. To see the differences between us as wonderful opportunities to color this human incarnation. Feel what it feels like to be completely free in your beingness, to be allowed to become your most authentic self, fearlessly and without boundaries, to become a united human race belonging to the united earth without separation, imaginary borders, and false ownership. Envision a world where children are no longer programmed, but encouraged to learn through self-exploration and imagination. A world where the children are safe and surrounded by love and inspiration. A world where a job is no longer a survival mechanism or used to gain the illusion of power, but it becomes an expression of our highest excitement and simply a way to share our gifts with our community so we can take care of each other, each in our own unique way. This may sound to some as an impossible dream, but I'm here to tell you with absolute certainty that this is attainable for mankind and can be achieved today if all decided to move in the same direction. The current universal energies are supportive for this evolutionary expansion of souls. Never forget that you are loved eternally and that we will always shine bright to guide you when the shadows and the darkness blind you. But you have to be willing to open your eyes and look beyond. And when you are feeling lost inside, we will always be there to find you so we can remind you that you and you alone create the path, the journey, the road you decide to walk on. It is simply impossible to get lost when you and you alone create every minute of every day through the thoughts, feelings, and decisions you choose to have and make. Because reality is an expression of your consciousness. It is an expression of everything you feel, think, and believe. It mirrors back to you the frequency you choose to reside in. Understand that the changes you make personally will not only reshape your personal experience, but also the collective. So begin creating a vision for your life and your family. What do you truly want to leave behind as your legacy? Let your vision inspire others. Let it become your guiding line and begin bringing it to life. Think it through and plan it out. Take the necessary action and co-create with others. And together, you will shape this into the enlightened future for your families, your loved ones, and create a new era for not only the human race, but for all the beings experiencing this current physical incarnation. Love and compassion is the only way to stop the fear that controls you. So claim back your powers and watch miracles happen.